Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to restore a WordPress website on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website that you want to, next to the WordPress website that you want to restore on Hostinger, click on Dashboard. Now click on website. I think no, it's not a website. Click on files. Yes, then select backups. And now to restore your WordPress website, it's simple. Just click on restore and download. But before showing you how to restore, let's give this website a visit. And my bad, go to WordPress website. This is it. I will add a new article. So when I restore my backups, you can see the difference, or you can spot the difference. So I will log into dashboard of this WordPress website, go to posts, click on add post. Here I will title this article like this article should not appear after restoring WordPress. Click on publish again. Let's view my website now. And this is the new home page. This article should not appear here after restoring WordPress. Now let's restore my WordPress. Here you can restore your website, and you can restore both files and database at the same time, or you can only restore files or database separately. For this video, I will restore the whole website. So make sure to select website backup. Here select the time, the time that you want to restore to. Today is September 19th. So I will restore my website to September 14th. Click on restore website. This will restore your WordPress website to the version of this date, which is 14th which is my selected date, and this can't be undone. Yes, I understand.
Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video.
And this can't be undone. Yes, I understand that restoring this website from backup will replace all the current website files and databases. Click on restore and wait a moment. And just like that, the restoring process is completed. Now let's check, or instead of, let's update or let's refresh the same page. Till now is still the cache, so I will go here, try to remove the registered cache on my, or clear cache. Cache cleaned successfully, and let's refresh the same page. And instead of just seeing a slight difference of a removed article on my WordPress, the date I've picked contain this developed WordPress website. And this is how to restore your WordPress website on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.